The Oculus Quest 2's affordability and general ease of use has excited many people. Privacy concerns aside, it's truly an all-in-one, industry-leading consumer VR headset in 2021. The default speakers leave more to be desired, and OE1 comes to save the day. The off-ear BMR headphones for Quest 2 by Pretty Good 3D, or OE1 for short, comes well packed in a plain box. You can find everything you need, but you do need to assemble it by yourself. Note that you need to rough it up. At least on my OE1 purchased in June 2021. With use, it becomes looser as expected. If anything breaks, you can easily buy replacements on their website, linked below the like button. The OE1 exists as an ultimate upgrade for those wanting great audio for immersive experiences. By design, the speakers don't close off your ears, allowing breathability and greater comfort in sessions. Balanced mode radiator drivers produce sound differently than normal speakers, so you don't need to adjust their position every time. Similar to Valve Index's speakers in form, does the OE1 sound as nice? I have the Samson SR850. These will be my reference, being one of the best budget general-purpose open-back headphones. Disclaimer: I'm not an audio professional. They sound alike on the mids and highs, and that's great. I can hear voices and gunshots more clearly in experiences, and have further positional awareness. What's noticeably lacking is bass. So I sideloaded a free Android EQ app. Does the job reasonably well, but it's troublesome. In May 2021, Pretty Good 3D released a Digital Signal Processor, or DSP. They claim it boosts the bass significantly and equalizes the frequency response. It costs just about the same as the OE1 though, so your choice. For the 3D printed product, it feels smooth and has identical color to the Quest 2. I'm satisfied with its appearance, especially paired with my non-brand Halo strap. They designed for several head straps, 5 in fact. With the price of under $42 US, it offers an excellent solution none have offered so far. You can buy it on their website, linked below the subscribe button. The OE1 is an upgrade over the default speakers merely for experiences. Bass-heavy music is just short of being enjoyable, owing to the lack of lower frequencies. With the DSP being a similar price, this fix is unsuitable for the majority. Perhaps a second edition will fix these shortcomings, but I wouldn't bet on a release soon. Even with my qualms, I still recommend the off-ear BMR headphones for Quest 2 by Pretty Good 3D. They make a splendid gift, even for yourself. If you have questions, comment down below or discuss through my Discord server. Thanks for watching my review until the end. This is Quaildent, logging out.